In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can quickly and easily ungroup your pivot table items that you have. You work with pivot tables, so oftentimes when you're working with states is a row or column value, it will get bunched up, where you can see you have 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and if you click these buttons right here, then it gets broken down into quarters, again into months, and then again into days. But you can ungroup this very easily by just going to pivot table analyze and then clicking ungroup. And then as you can see, it is ungrouped. And then you can click back into it and click group selection. And then you can select the unit that you want to group it back in. So just say years, months, quarters. Okay. It's going to take a second to load. But as we can see, it is now grouped back up again. So that said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.